Nature walking brings together three simple practices: walking, time in nature, and Tai Chi walking. A simple combination with powerful benefits. Walking supports circulation, mobility, balance, and endurance. Time in nature helps calm the nervous system, reduce stress, and restore attention. Tai Chi walking slows the pace so you can feel more of the movement, more of the breath, more of the body, more of the moment. Begin slowly. Walk at a comfortable pace. Let the body settle. Feel the feet meet the ground. Shift your weight fully before taking the next step. Stay upright, relaxed, and present. Let the breath guide the movement. Inhale as you gather, exhale as you step. Move with awareness, not hurry. Tai Chi walking teaches us that slow is not less. Slow builds balance. Slow builds control. Slow builds confidence. Nature helps us receive the sound of the wind, the warmth of the sun, the movement of the trees, the rhythm of life all around us. Allow yourself to notice, not analyze, just notice. Walk, breathe, feel. This is not about distance. Not about speed. This is about presence. A walking meditation, a moving practice, a way to restore balance in body, mind, and breath. One slow step at a time.